Hello everyone! Today's song is Slippery Fish. 今日ご紹介する歌は海の生き物が登場する手遊び歌です。小さな海の生き物が大きな海の生き物にどんどん食べられてしまう歌です。この歌は少し長めです。そして言葉がたくさん出てきます。いつもより少し難しいかもしれませんが、保育園の子どもたちとても楽しく上手に歌っています。では早速、歌の中に出てくる海の生き物を紹介します。Here comes slippery fish sliding through the water. Slippery fish, slippery fish sliding through the water. Yes, here comes another one. An octopus, octopus squiggling in the water. Octopus. And here is the tuna fish. Tuna fish, tuna fish flashing through the water. Tuna fish. A shark. A great white shark. A great white shark lurking in the water. A great white shark. Oh no. And the last one is big, humongous whale. Yes, humongous whale, humongous whale spouting in the water. Very good. Let's sing Slippery Fish. You ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Slippery fish, slippery fish sliding through the water. Slippery fish, slippery fish. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by an octopus, octopus squiggling in the water. Octopus, octopus. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a tuna fish, tuna fish flashing through the water. Tuna fish, tuna fish. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a great white shark, a great white shark lurking in the water. Great white shark, great white shark. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a humongous whale, humongous whale spouting in the water. Humongous whale, humongous whale. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Burp. Excuse me. This is it. Yay! 最後は大きなゲップでした。失礼。生き物それぞれに動きがありましたよ。できましたか？ Yes, very good! 夏におすすめの手遊び歌です。ぜひやってみてください。Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye bye! If you like this video, don't forget to like it and be sure to subscribe.